Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Asin and welcome back to another of my videos. So for all of you who are part of this channel, you know how I work and all my topics are all about making money online. So today's main topic is pretty simple. It will help you, we are going to talk about why you should build your blog on the Shopify platform. So for those of you who don't know what Shopify is, basically Shopify is a platform where you can build up your e-commerce. So not only you can build up your e-commerce, you can build up your website on this platform, but you can also build up your blog on this platform. So what we'll do today, we are going to talk about the benefits of creating your blog directly on Shopify and what exactly you can do once you have created your blog on Shopify. So we're gonna talk about the benefits, but also the costs, so how much it costs, and basically everything that is related to blogging, but with the use of Shopify. So let's not wait anymore and let's jump right into it. Alright, so when we're talking about blogging, it's really important to understand what are the different ways that you guys can monetize your blog. Because when you guys are creating your blog, yes, it's for fun, but on the long run, you want to make money from this blog. So it makes sense. So different ways that you guys can monetize your blogs are pretty simple. So first of all, you can add ads. So basically you can use AdSense or any other ad program to monetize your blog, which can bring really interesting money at the beginning. So when you have created your blog and you have not that much people, it can bring in some dollars. Once again, at first, it's not gonna be a substantial amount of money. Second way that you guys can monetize your blog would be with affiliate marketing. So in this case, what you will do, it's pretty simple. So you will take the products of an affiliate and post them directly on your blog. So basically you will resell products of other people or simply refer other people to a certain service or product and generate an income from it. And finally, the last way that you guys can generate an income with your blog, well, you have some other ways, but those are the most important. So the last one is pretty simple, is simply selling a certain product on your blog. You can also sell services. So let's say you're selling services on your blog, but you can sell a certain product on your blog. So in this case, we are talking about the physical product. We can talk about the digital product as well. So let's say, for example, you want to sell your courses. Well, you can sell your courses on your blog. You want to sell a physical product. Yes, you can sell your physical product on a blog as well. And in this case, it's going to be a blog, but it's going to become an e-commerce if we follow the logic. So my goal here is, what's cool there is that with Shopify, you can implement all those things together. So basically the Shopify platform will allow you to sell whatever you want on your blog. So why exactly do I like Shopify for blogging? So pretty simple. Let's say you're starting out your blog. You have created your blog. Then you want to apply for Google AdSense. First of all, it's gonna take time. So it's not gonna come pretty simple like this. So you have to apply, you have to wait, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. So what you can do at first. So let's say you're creating a blog about, about traveling, for example. So you have your blog about traveling and you want to monetize it the moment you have created your blog. So what you can do, you can, for example, sell some traveling products. So let's say you guys want to sell, for example, you want to sell cameras for traveling, for example, once again. So you have your blog that is created and you can create a small store on your blog. So that's when Shopify is really amazing. Shopify will allow you to sell those small will allow you to create a little shop inside of your blog. So basically you will have a big blog and you can create a small store, or the reverse, you can create a huge store and inside of this huge store, a small blog. This is why Shopify, in my opinion, is really amazing for blogging. So let's say you guys start with a blog, you build up your blog, you start selling products. Let's say you have not that much visitors. Let's say you have 200 visitors per month, which is not that much. You have a conversion rate of, let's say, 2%. So basically 2% of 200 is gonna be 4%. 4%'s buying a, let's say, $100 product because you're selling cameras that are not too high end. So let's say you're selling your cameras for $100 and you buy them for $50. So basically you will make $50 for each sale. And let's say you're making 4 sales a month since you just started out your blog. So you will be able to generate $200 a month simply by having a blog without even ads, without affiliate marketing, without nothing. So you just create your blog, you write your blogs, you have people who visit your blog, and you have a conversion rate of, let's say, 2%, which is not very good, not very bad, which is something that is normal in my opinion. And just with this, you will be able to generate $200. So as I explained right now, this is why Shopify is really amazing for blogging, because once again, you can start with a blog and then build a shop around it. What's cool also is that you can add different things. So basically you can add, as I said, physical products. You can add digital products, so you can sell your digital products on Shopify as well. So let's say instead of selling a product, you want to sell a course. So let's say you have a blog about business and you want to sell your course about business. Well, basically you can sell it automatically on Shopify. And what's cool is that, for example, someone buys your product and don't like your product and decides to return your product. So there is no headaches. What's going to happen is that the money will simply be automatically refunded to the person and the course will simply return to you, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So it's pretty simple. Shopify makes everything pretty simple, and this is why I like it. How much does it cost now? So basically for the costs of Shopify, if I'm not mistaken, it's $29 a month, which in my opinion is not that bad. So basically you can, you have a trial, you can try it out. And after that, well, it's the cost of basically running your e-commerce. So as I said, it's pretty cool because first of all, you can start with a blog. You can, well, build up your blog, build up your blog, and you can also start monetizing it automatically. So basically you can simply go on different suppliers platforms and simply bring those products directly to your store and resell those products and be able to generate a certain income. So automatically from the start, you will have a e-commerce. So basically you will have a blog, but your blog will also be a e-commerce, which is pretty amazing. And then when you have enough people, you can add ads, for example, with AdSense. You can add affiliate products. You can do pretty much whatever you want as in a normal blog, but just with using the Shopify platform. So let me just show you a few examples of one of my personal blog that I use as an example blog, just to show you what it can look like. All right, so this is the Shopify blog that I use as an example for everybody who wants to see what a blog on Shopify can look like. So as you can see right here, it's pretty professional. So this is my homepage. As you can see, first of all, I have business tips. So I have blog right here. I have my YouTube videos right here. I have my online courses right there. And I have my blog. So basically I have some other blogs right here. I have a small paragraph right here. And it's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's pretty professional. If I want to transform this blog into something that is more an e-commerce, so for example, for selling products, selling services, or adding anything that I want that relates transactions or money, I'm able to do it directly on Shopify. Indeed, basically on Shopify, you will have access to hundreds of different apps that will allow you to do plenty of things. So basically, if I want to add an affiliate program, if I want to add a membership to my website, so basically transform my website into a membership website. If I want to sell products that are from different suppliers, I can do it. So basically, there are plenty of things that I can do directly on, directly with Shopify on my blog right here. So let's take a quick look to what I have right now integrated into this blog. So first of all, right here, I can change the language. So basically, it can go from English to French to Spanish. So automatically, I have my blog in 3 different languages. Second thing, each time that I get into a page, a pop-up will appear. So basically, right here, I have a pop-up that can appear. Usually it's set it up to appear each and every 5 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. So let's just go to the first page and refresh it to see what it looks like. So basically the pop-up will look something like this. So as you can see, it's right there. And usually this pop-up, as I said, I can set it up to appear each and every 5 minutes, for example, each and every 10 minutes. Well, I decide of how much time it will appear. If we look at my blog, so let's select financial news, for example, and right here. So basically a blog on the Shopify will look something like this. So as you can see, it's a normal blog. If I want to add videos, I can add YouTube videos to it. I can add pictures. I can add whatever I want. So basically it's the same way as if I build a blog directly on other platforms, such as WordPress or any other platform. But in my opinion, this is better because once again, you can directly transform your blog into an e-commerce. So not only you will be able to sell products, transform your blog into a membership blog with just a few clicks, but you can also add ads to your blog, well, basically like in any other place, to add ads or do many other things way more easier than on other platforms. So I hope you guys have an idea of why you should build your blog directly on Shopify. So as I said, this is, in my opinion, a really good idea, and it's really worth the money that it costs. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like button. It's always appreciated. It shows me that you guys like the content. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Once again, it's appreciated, and we are building up a small community. We are almost right now we are more than 1,000 subscribers to this channel, and it's honestly really appreciated. I try to put out videos each and every week, so if you guys have no idea of what Shopify is exactly, you can check out in my other videos. I have a complete tutorial about Shopify, so you can check it out. Besides of that, I hope you guys like this content, and see you all in my other videos.